California's Attorney General's office is looking to ban Blackjack-style card games. The proposed regulation has sparked some backlash from Cardroom employees all across the state who argue the ban will result in the loss of hundreds of jobs and millions of dollars in revenue. Our Kelsi Thorud has more on this debate.
Don't rob our jobs!
Don't rob our jobs!
Don't rob our jobs!
Don't rob our jobs!
Dozens of local Cardroom employees picketed outside Attorney General Rob Bonta's office in Oakland Friday, calling on the AG to not go forward with proposed changes to the state's gaming regulations that would essentially ban any type of blackjack-style table game from being played in local card rooms.
If this goes through, we lose a lot of our revenue, And with that said, many people will lose their jobs.
Vincent DeFries is a part of the management team at Artichoke Joe's, the card room that's been in downtown San Bruno for over 100 years.
The difference between us and a Las Vegas casino, they're a destination, we're a local. So a lot of our locals just come in, and a lot of them just come in to say hello, but they like to play a little cards and have some fun.
Card rooms in California are not legally allowed to play so-called banked games, which pit players against the house. The California DOJ's proposed changes would close a loophole that allows them to get around that. It's an issue that sparked a feud with the bigger tribal casinos who have tried to sue over it. Vincent says Artichoke Joe's has 43 card tables. If the new regulations go through, he says about 30 of those tables could shut down, meaning many of his dealers would be without a job.
A lot of these people would be jobless. I mean, we have a lot of people that have been there 30, 40 years. It's not uncommon. And those people are going to be jeopardized.
The employees also point out local cities depend on revenue from the card rooms. We reached out to Attorney General Bonta's office for comment on these protests. They sent us a statement explaining that these changes have been in the works since 2023. Formal rulemaking was postponed until the spring of this year, where then the AG's office says they held an over 1 month-long public comment period and 2 separate public hearings on the issue. The department is currently reviewing those public comments now. They say they are unable to comment any further on the issue because the rulemaking process remains ongoing. The state has 1 year from the start of the process to complete the rulemaking. That's why people like Vincent DeFries are keeping up the pressure, hoping that showing the real people who could be impacted by these proposed changes at these protests could help sway the AG to toss out the changes altogether.
The California Gaming Commission does a great job to make sure we're compliant. And why do we have to go this level? I don't know. It just seems very strange to me.
An impact assessment commissioned by the Attorney General's office estimates the rule changes would reduce business at card rooms by 50%.